demonstrate structural applications with the pre-cut strips, and that is where you would utilize the strips to help prevent potentially harmful ranges of motion or to improve static or dynamic postures. Take the strip that you want to utilize, gently tear it away from the other ones, localize where you want to apply it, tear the backing, gently peel the backing away from the tape, and place the base, section 1, on the skin, with no stretch in the tape and no stretch in the muscle. From there, what we would do is we would keep the muscle in a shortened position by keeping the leg straight in this particular case. Then we would start peeling the backing. We would anchor where we've started, and without touching the adhesive, we would pull to stretch the tape while the muscle's in a shortened position, and then lay the tape down in contact with the skin with stretch in the center portion of the tape. The last portion, approximately 1 inch, has no stretch in the tape, and we gently lay that down in contact with the skin. Once applied, we rub over top of the tape to activate the glue. To demonstrate a structural application with the Y strip, take the strip, tear it away from the other ones, turn it over, tear along the black lines, then localize where you want to apply it. For example, we'll apply it to the lateral thigh. Tear the backing of section 1 halfway, then lay over top of the skin where you want to start, and then gently remove the rest of the backing without any stretch in the tape or the muscle. Rub over top of the tape to activate the glue. From there, because it's a structural application, we're keeping the muscle in a shortened position. We start peeling the backing, fold the backing over, hang on to that portion, anchor at the beginning, and then stretch the tape, and then follow it with your finger where you're stretching the middle portion of the tape but not the ending. The last portion, approximately 1 inch, there's no stretch at all. Just gently lay down on top of the skin. Once applied, gently rub over top of the tape to activate the glue. You would proceed to do the same with the other projection, tearing it back, peel it back, fold it over, anchor, pull, and how much you pull is depending on how much structural support or how much prevention of range of motion that you're trying to attain. Gently follow behind with your finger to lay the tape down in contact with the skin, and then relieve your tension on the last inch, gently laying the tape down in contact with the skin. Once 90% is applied, remove the backing completely, then rub over top of the tape to activate the glue. To demonstrate a structural application with the X strip, take the application, tear it away from the other ones, turn it over, and tear along the black lines where the tape is perforated. Take the first section, section number 1, and remove the backing completely. Localize where you want to apply the center portion and place that down in contact with the skin. Once section 1 is in contact with the skin, gently rub over top to activate the glue. From there, because it's a structural application, we keep the muscle in a shortened position. We peel the backing, hang on to the end, hang on to the start, pull the center portion of the tape, and then follow it with your finger to lay the tape down in contact with the skin. The last portion of tape, approximately an inch, has no stretch whatsoever. So relieve your tension on the last portion. And that goes for every section of tape. Peel back, fold over, anchor, pull, lay it down, and then the last portion, relieve your tension, no stretch in the tape. Fold over, anchor, pull, lay it down, and then the last portion, no stretch. Wait till about 90% of the tape is applied, remove the backing completely, and then rub over top to activate the glue.